I'll be saying, here's introducing the director of VK Engineering Private Limited on our way to Pune for the first exhibition.
The first exhibition for VK Engineering with industrial robots, the new concept of low-cost automation, which is going to be introduced in India with complete profile for customers to small industries to convert into real automation and come out of the problems of labor. Even though the country which is with population of more than 1.2 billion, we have serious problems on the labor side.
How confident are you for this exhibition as a director of the company?
We are confident enough to expose ourselves and ensure that generate good inquiries which can be converted into orders. And we are going to give first 1 year to the company to have the recognition in the industry and conquer in a larger way. That's it.
Short and